Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solutions. In this video, we are going to cover foreign keys, how to create two different tables, and then how to assign a specific column as a foreign key of another column. So currently we have one employees table, and then I am going to create another table for foreign keys, and I'll create department table. Okay, so over here department ID as an integer, and then department name and varchar 50. So this is our simple table for storing department. Set primary key, and then identity specification is equal to true, and click on save button, and I will rename this departments. Okay, now we are going to add some records in this table. So this is our department, you can say software development, web development, and graphic design. Okay, we have three departments, and now we are going to assign this primary key of this table as a foreign key to employees table. Okay, so edit, and currently we don't have any department column over here, and first understand the relationship of this table as one department has many employees, like Rauf and Ali can be the employee of software development department, and Shahid and Saeed can be the employee of web design or web development department. So one department can be assigned to different employees. Okay, before inserting record into this table, make sure delete all the record, and then right click on this employees table design, and over here I will add my foreign key department ID as an integer, because this ID has data type in the parent table is department table as integer. You should your foreign key should have same data types. Okay, so click on save, then I will right click on this button and then keys button, and then I will create new foreign key. Okay, so tables and specification, then primary key table, and then I will select the column primary key table. In this case is departments table. Okay, and then it's a department ID. Then foreign key table, obviously we are going to assign foreign key in the department table, then I will select department ID as foreign key. Okay, now we have primary key table name department, and its primary key column is department ID, and next we have employees table, and then we have department ID as a foreign key from this department table. Click OK and close this one. Okay, save, and next refresh this keys. Look at this, we have FK foreign key employees department. Okay, so if you expand this columns tab or columns folder icon, then you can see over here this is a key which indicates that its direction indicates that this is the foreign key, and it also shows in the parentheses of this column as it is a foreign key, and this is the primary key of this table. Okay, so this is how you can create a single foreign key in any desired table. In the next video we will create multiple foreign keys. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.